it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing our first day of sneak peeks for our January release. I can't believe 2025 is just right around the corner. We have a box of the month we're calling Fresh Start. So we all love a new fresh start at the beginning of a new year. So we have some really beautiful designs, and my mom is staying with us through the holidays, so she is helping me make some card samples, so I'm going to share that with you today. First, I want to share a couple of cards we created with a new digital image that you can download for free when you become a channel member. You can click that join button to read more about it. We'd love to have you over there. I do a digital image every month for the channel members. You can download that for free. I'll give you a coupon code in the channel members community tab, so you'll find it there. And then you just enter the coupon code at checkout, and it will bring down the price to $0. So you could check out for free. Now, I asked my friends over on my Facebook group what I should name this cute little digital image, and I loved the suggestion of Joy because she does look so happy. So I called her Joy Loves Snow. So if you're a channel member, go ahead and download her and color her up. So this is the one that I did. I paired it up with Winter Wishes for a Sentiment, and I just had a ton of fun coloring her up, and this is the one my mom did. So beautiful. So hers is more of a pastel look, and then I have the darker blues on this one. So they turned out so fun. Now, my mom loves crafting, so when she comes over, all she wants to do is craft. So we've been crafting non-stop since she's been here, and it's been a blast. I haven't been able to film it because my space is really small and we're just crafting in the moment, but hopefully I can snap a few pictures or something. Let me share the first sneak peek. So we have these two stamp sets are in your box of the month, and I believe I'm going to have some spots open so you can get in on that club if you've been waiting for that to open. So on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time, I will list the box of the month, and you can grab that. And if you want to secure your February box, be sure to join monthly. There's a little drop-down menu that says choose monthly for your frequency. You'll choose that to secure your February box. My mom has her two little dogs. She has a teacup Yorkie and a Chihuahua, and they're here in the basement with me while I'm filming, and they are being little rascals, playing around, making crazy little monster noises. So forgive me if you hear that in the background. You can hear their little feet pattering. They're so tiny. They're running back and forth. So we have a really pretty stamp set. This one coordinates with both of the paper pads nicely. This one is Fresh Blooms. You get some really nice pretty flower clusters. We've got sentiments, joy in every bloom, with love, fresh blooms, fresh beginnings. So really nice stamp set. Here's a card I did using that stamp set. I just popped up the center and then have a frame, and it's all white on white. And I just colored in the really pretty flower clusters. The second set here is called Inside Birthday Greetings. So these are perfect for the inside of your birthday cards. And we do have a smaller one here. Cheers. May all your birthday wishes come true. So you can probably use those on the front if you wanted. And then let me read some of these. May this special day bring you endless joy, lots of cake, and all the happiness in the world. You deserve the best on your birthday and always. Birthdays aren't just about getting older. They're about celebrating how much you've grown. Keep smiling, keep dreaming, and most of all, keep being you. With each birthday, you get a fresh start to dream bigger, laugh louder, and love even more. I hope this year is your best adventure yet. Happy birthday. And then this one my mom used in this card that she created. This one here, she used that So she used the paper that I'm going to share next, soft blue florals, and then the coordinating Party Critters ephemera, which is so cute. So what a pretty card. And then she stamped "It's My Birthday." That's from an older set. But on the inside, she did use the "Wishing you a birthday filled with love, laughter, and all the things that bring you joy. Here's to another year of making wonderful memories." So really cute. Here's another one that she used, the ephemera, and that one says "Happy Birthday" on the balloon. She did bring in some other paper. This pink gingham, I guess she wanted to bring out the pink in the flowers, so she likes to mix and match. And then she has "Happy Birthday" on the inside. She also did make 3 tags. Now the paper that you see in the background is part of the Paper Pad Club of the month, so I'll share that in day 3. But she did pair that with this ephemera here. She used "Happy Birthday to You" from an older stamp set. She has a little pocket on the back to put a little gift card. And then this one, she paired up a few different paper pads. I think she used up some of my scraps. These are from the Paper Pad Club, but this paper here is from the Christmas Plaids #2. And she stamped out "My Treat for You," and then there's a cute little pocket in the back. And this one here, she used one of the paper pads that I'll be sharing tomorrow, paired up with the paper pad from the Paper Pad Club, which I'll show on day 3. So, but she did use that cute little ephemera piece. She added some glitter to the flowers, which looks really pretty. And then she did a little pocket again. So super cute. So let's take a look at the paper and coordinating ephemera. This paper is gorgeous. The paper and the ephemera will be available for individual purchase if you're just interested in that. You'll see that under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. And it's called Soft Blue Florals. Look at that. So pretty. Let me bring it up a little closer. Isn't that gorgeous? So you get 4 of each design on this. Some watercolor triangles here. So pretty. And then the blue florals. So beautiful. I love it. It's like a blue, green, and a cream color combo. So pretty. And I love the watercolor look. How pretty is that? So amazing floral prints. And then you've got, you know, kind of like a subdued kind of print that you can use with that. Really pretty. That one's gorgeous. Okay, so let's take a look at the ephemera. I'm going to lay this all out so I can get a nice picture for the website. We do have some sentiments in here. So we got "Happiest Birthday, Happy Birthday to You." Really cute. So these pieces here, they're nice and big. So this could be your focal point on your card. You just need to add 1 piece of ephemera. We do have it in a smaller size as well. Here's a cute little panda, cute little hedgehog or porcupine, and then the deer, so cute. Got another cute little panda. Look at that elephant, super cute. Here's a bigger "Happy Birthday." Birthday squad. Happy birthday to you. Look at that little tiger. A lion. Ooh, a zebra. A llama. How cute is that? It's bring this up a little closer so you could get the details. We've got a unicorn. Oh, a cute little penguin. The giraffe. Here's another deer. I totally forgot the dryer was running. So sorry guys. That noise is probably going to be in the background. So here's another cute panda. That bear is so cute. Here's another cute little elephant. And my mom's dog sounds like a little bird. It's so funny. So there we go. There's all the cute ephemera pieces. So meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for day 2 of our sneak peeks. I can't wait to share you what's coming up next in your box of the month. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.